Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my 3 stocks to buy in August of 2018. These videos seem to do really well if I release it before the month of August. I was planning to do maybe a high quality video, but I'm going to do experiment and just see how well it does with just my own voice. And then next month I will release a high quality video using Go Vyond, which is used to be called Go Animate, now it's called Vyond. So some animation videos for my top 3 stocks to buy in September, I guess. So I always like to go to do a review of the video that I did last month. So I recommended 3 stocks last month. One was JD.com. I saw the Monk's Ways channel, and he made some really good points. So I thought I'd put it as a recommendation. And it turned out to be a little decline. So if you bought it, you probably lost some money. But right now it's at its 52-week low. So pretty close to its 52-week low. So it could be buying opportunity. I don't know what's really going on in this company because I don't keep up with it, but I think in the long term, I think this is a good company to get into, but that's just me though. Next stock I recommended was Namaste Technology. I think I'm neutral on this because it's gone up and down quite a bit. Like it went up all the way to like $1.56 and then it went down. So it hasn't really moved very much. It's all thanks to the Namaste buyback share. If it wasn't for the buyback share, I'm sure the stock would be hurting just as much as the rest of the cannabis stocks right now that are currently trading. My third pick was Hemco. I put a recommendation at $1.65, and I got this one wrong. So it went down to $1.33. It could still go down. There's a possibility it can go back down to a dollar. So dollar-ish, $1.10. But at that point, it's probably a really good buying opportunity. I don't think it'll go down any further, but it could. I think it'll just stabilize here until like they get some good news for the stock that hey, our Nitsky facility is open. Where it's 100% operational, where if they ever release some kind of news like that as a press release, I'm sure the stock will probably skyrocket back down up to I don't know, $2 maybe, or $1.80. I don't know. That's just a prediction. Then again, these are all speculation stocks, so financials really have no impact on these stocks. It's more like news. Yeah. Okay, so for my recommendation of August, my first recommendation is AT&T. AT&T is a cell phone company or an internet company. The reason why I like these companies is because first of all, they pay a really good dividend, like 6.13%. The PE ratio is 6.27, which is really low. The reason why they've gone down quite a bit is because they had a merger with Time Warner for $85.4 billion. And I think that's the reason why the stock went down. They're going to be having the quarterly report on July 24th, sorry. So some could be interesting next week, but I honestly, you can't really go wrong with a stock like this in my opinion though, because it's established company and people can't live without the internet and their cell phones, and that's their main business is internet and cell phone, and now they're getting into media and TV shows and shit by buying up Time Warner. So I don't know. I think AT&T is a good investment for long term. That's just my opinion. Could it go down further? Yeah, sure, but it would just make it more of a buying opportunity, in my opinion. So that's my first recommendation. It's a very safe stock, non-speculative. Yeah. So I don't know too much about the company. I'm telling you that I don't keep up with the company. They do have good financials. They're making a profit, and they're in the cell phone business, which, you know, you can't really go wrong with, because everybody needs a cell phone. Everybody needs the internet. Not a single person on this planet can say I can live without internet. At least this is just my opinion. I could be wrong. Maybe there are some people out there, like maybe 1% of the population, but 99% of the population or 98% of the population cannot live without internet. So that's just my opinion, though. The second stock is Aurora Cannabis. Slightly riskier stock. It's gone down dramatically in the last month. It went from $10.47 all the way down to $7.36. Could it be a buying opportunity right now, or could it fall further? Well, the entire cannabis industry is falling like crazy, so it could fall further. But the further it falls, the better it is, because I truly believe in this company. I think this company will be the #1 company by a big margin in the near future, and they'll be the standard. And Aurora has a lot more to gain than Canopy, because they don't really have anybody like behind them, and and they have so much to gain by surpassing Canopy. So I think they'll be the #1 company, but we'll see. I really like Aurora. I also, disclaimer, I have 162,000 shares in here, priced at $2.30. So I do have a huge chunk of money invested into this company. Yeah, okay, let's move on to ISIL International. I've been carefully looking at this stock. I think it's a good company to invest into. It has been on a free fall lately, but it could be a buying opportunity. The company, it's only worth $128 million. Why do I like this company? It's just because of their financials. I wonder if I have the financial loaded up, but yeah, I do. So they have a total of $56 million in asset. They have $26 million in cash, and then, so if you take that asset, well, what the company's worth, it's only like 2, maybe 2.5 total of the asset. The liability is pretty good too. It's only $3 million, and shareholder equity is $53 million. So the balance sheet is nice. So it doesn't look like the company is in any struggles or financial struggles. And then if you look at the cash flows, sorry, if you look at the like income statement, hold on. Okay, sorry, I passed it. So if you look at the sales, right, from last year they made $52,000. This year they made 5.89, like almost $6 million, and their gross profit is really nice too. It's almost a 55 to 60% depending on the quarter. And so they're growing in revenue, they're growing gross profit, and they're slightly profitable. And it's cool how they have like, not a lot of companies list this, but they have like every single detail of expense listed on this financials, which not a lot of companies do. Most companies will just have like general admissions and research and development, but they have like a lot of their financials are very detailed, which I like. I like to have very clarity on a company. So disclaimer, you know, this is a small cap stock. It's slightly risky. You could make money off of it, but like, and I did buy 20,000 shares at 36 or 37 cents. Don't remember the exact number. And yeah, so buy this at your own risk. Buy any of these companies, buy at your own risk. Except for AT&T, I'm pretty confident that if you buy into this company, you're not gonna go wrong in the long term. You're gonna make money. And okay, so let's look at their shop. So they sell a lot of hemp products. They have their own branding, ISIL. I tried to buy something from them just for fun. I bought some kind of sleeping pack, but my problem was I couldn't get it shipped in Canada because right now Canada does not approve of CBD products. So I can't really buy any of these products, but they have a good selection of products. They're growing their revenues quite a bit. It's definitely an interesting company. I guess that's all I really have to say about it. I haven't done too much in-depth research of this, so there could be something in here that I probably haven't mentioned. But they do have competition. Namaste, so this is Namaste UK store, and just recently they're starting to sell CBD products. If it loads up. So they're selling CBD products. They have a bunch of CBD products on their store. There's not on the Canadian store because there's like regulations, and like they won't be able to probably get CBD products on the Canadian store until I would say until like until at least legalization of cannabis before they'll be allowed to sell CBD products. At least this is my opinion. But yeah, this was just added not too long ago. This is gonna help with their revenue and profit, and yeah, just telling you to say that like Aurora is also getting into this market too, and so like many other licensed producers. So there's gonna be a lot of competition for ISIL, but yeah, and this is the Namaste US store, and I tried looking for see they sold CBD products, and do not sell CBD products in the United States. That would be cool if they sold they update this website to one day sell CBD products in the United States. I think that would be cool. I guess I'll end off the video. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.